How to update iOS 18 using cellular or mobile data on any iPhone. So if you want to update your iOS 18 using cellular or mobile data on any iPhone, then what you need to do is first open up your settings application. Inside the settings, you need to move to the cellular option or the mobile option. Now you'll land on this page. At the very top, you'll have an option to enable this cellular data. Once you've enabled your cellular data, you can head over to your cellular data options or your mobile data options. Then you can go with your voice and data, and it will take you to this kind of page. So in this page, there are a few options like 4G, 5G on, or 5G auto. If you have the option of 5G, then all you want to do is set to 5G. Once you've set the cellular data to 5G, the next thing you want to do is go back to your settings and then head over to the general section. Tap on general. If you have any updates on your software, just simply go and update it. If not, you can scroll all the way down, tap on transfer, reset iPhone, tap on reset, and reset all of your settings. After resetting, your problem will be fixed. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.